What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Gala Games, pulling back towards our target zone, seeing at 0.01824, down 4.4 on the day. Same market at 457 million, 25 volume, 109 million. Hop into the chart. So we're going through our ABC correction, pulling towards our wave 2 pullback zone. I'm likely to give another trade signal within this zone. If it looks good to me, if I see the candlestick formations that I want to see, then I'll likely take a trade. We can see a nice little head and shoulders pattern. So if we take the measurement and take it to the point of breakdown, you can see that would take you all the way down to the 78.6. Now, if Bitcoin sees the wave 4 pullback that I'm looking for, which I posted in today's Bitcoin video, do check it out. And smash the like button if you're getting any value out of the video. Then we'd be looking for a bounce from this target zone. We could reach the 61.8 or the 78.6. This pullback for Gala Games, we've already almost hit the 50%. We're coming back to the daily bullish cross. So what we want to see here is we hold that bullish cross, either the 20 or the 55, we bounce, and we see continuation to the upside. We are already in a Gala long trade, but I will give another signal for a long if it looks good in my opinion. For 10 bucks a month in the Discord, once we enter our target zone and we start to get a reaction. So that's what I'm looking for, to hold, to pull back, hold the bullish cross, even if we break a little bit below it. Maybe retest the support of the double bottom at about 0.01587 and hold this pullback zone and then bounce. And yeah, look for that another long trade to ride up the juicy wave 3, which is the best wave to trade in Elliott wave theory. That's what I'm looking at for Gala. Make sure to sign up to BTCC, no KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange, all around the world, no VPN, no KYC. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. My signals are 10 bucks a month. Crush it on Sol, over 100% trade, absolutely juicy. Crush it on Gala as well and Ethereum. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits. As you can see, they're absolutely killing it. My huddle all plays, Forex signals and analysis. We're killing it on US oil. We're looking to get into silver and gold for $10 per month. You spend $10 every single day. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Smash the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.